I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing, install, and styling of this 30-inch full 13x6 wig from Sterly Hair. Sterly Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the package. We are going to go ahead and open it up together and see what we have in here. So it comes in this really cute little dust bag with Sterly Hair on it. Let's open it up and actually unbox this wig. So I'm gonna sit the wig to the side, but we're gonna go through all of the gifts over here first. You have an edge brush. You can never have too many of these. A headband when you actually melt the lace, and a purple bonnet. Like, I have not seen many purple bonnets. I'm actually kind of happy about this. Like, you got a purple bonnet. Very, very cutesy. I'm probably gonna put this on after the video. Oh, okay, and also in here, we got a little more. You have a wig cap. Here's a little flyer. So if you review the wig or follow them, you will get some money off your next order. And also a pair of lashes. So let's actually get into this wig. The reason we're all here today, let's get into it, you guys. So this is a 30-inch deep wave 13x6 wig. 13x6, hold on, let's actually look at this wig. But 30 inches, that is really, really long. Or like, it's a very nice length, especially for curly hair. So I'm really excited. So here is, oh, the netting is kind of stuck. Here is the curl pattern. It is really, really pretty. Very nice curls. Like, this is very, very cute. Let's really get into the curl pattern right there. Very, very pretty. And let's actually look at the inside of this wig. So it is a full 13x6, a full 13x6 bam. You have all that parting space. So we will be able to do a super cute updo or do a side part, middle part, pigtails, whatever we want to do with this wig. So I am really, really excited. Comes with an elastic band. Bam, bam, bam. But like the hair, this hair is pretty thick, you guys. So I already know when I start separating these curls, this hair is going to get super big. But I am excited. So the first thing I'm going to do, it does also have a little tag on the back. So let me cut off this tag. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off this excess lace in the back. We won't be needing that. I might do a little plucking when I actually put the wig on, but I'm going to wait and do the plucking when the wig is actually installed. So let's go ahead and install this wig. Guys, I am burning up right now. It is so hot. It is hot, hot, hot. So I'm going to add a little bit of lace tint to the lace to make it a little bit closer to my skin tone. And then we're going to go ahead and install this wig. Let me get back so you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and slap this wig on. Did my camera get crooked? Yeah. Ooh, I really like the way this wig fits. When I put it on, I'm like, ooh, this is secure, honey. This feels very, very secure. But of course, we're gonna glue it down. So let's see. So the first thing I always like to do when I'm installing a wig like this is to cut 2 slits at the temple region. Let's do that. And I like working in 3s. So we're gonna bend this lace back and go ahead and spray our first layer where we want our wig to lay. Like right, let me bend it back a little more, right there. Okay, and now we're gonna do the 3rd layer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig where I want it to lay. or lie, whichever one is correct. I'm like right there, I think. Should have all these hairs. That's a little low. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace. This really is a very, very easy install, you guys. Nothing too crazy today. It's a fly in here, you guys. It's a fly. Okay, let me stop. I'm really just a southern grandma. That fly is really bothering me. And let's see if the ears are freed. We might have to free the ears a little bit. So let's cut a little slit here so we can put the hair behind the ears and do cute updos. So bam. Now that can come down. Now this side. Oh, now that can come down. Okay, so now we need to touch up these parts that are kind of poking up. Like that. And over here by the ear. One more layer right here. Just so it's really, really laid. Oh, let's go. And we're gonna make sure this baby is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and use this headband they gave us. So let's do this. Okay, and in the meantime, while this is melting, we are going to work on styling this hair a little bit. And I kind of want to do the cute little two-part look people do. Let's see if I can do it. This is a 13x6, so I could definitely do it, but let's see if I actually know what I'm doing, you guys. So they usually have a part like here at the temples. I do need to do the baby hairs too, so we're gonna do that soon before we really get too much into styling, because I don't want to mess it up. Let me have this here, like bam. Okay, let's go ahead and take off this headband. Okay, and now let's go ahead and do like two little pieces of baby hairs at the temple. I'm sorry, you guys, I am sick right now, but we're working, you guys, we're working. I actually love the way baby hair looks with, oh, that was the edge control. I actually love the way baby hair looks with deep wave hair. I'm kind of moving away from it with straighter hair, but with deep wave hair, it eats to me. I don't care what anyone says. I love it. So now let's try to do these parts I was talking about. So as you can see, you can part this wig like anywhere, to be honest. Just about anywhere, you guys. Let's go ahead. Slick, 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 slick. We don't want it getting in the way. We want them to be able to see the part. We have one little part going on over here. Just a side part might really eat, but we do have one part going on. Honestly, we'll just do a half up, half down then. That's basically what the two parts is, now that I think about it. This is a lot of hair, you guys. A lot of pretty hair. Okay, that is pretty cute. I do feel like I put too much of the hair in over there. So let's pluck this a little bit. Okay, it is coming together a little bit. It looks pretty cute. Just a quick little style. I didn't do like the neatest version, but this is cute. The hair is giving. The hair is for sure giving. I will give it that much for sure. Got like a little makeup here for this part. And you can rake out the curls a little bit. The hair is getting big and pretty. Okay, looks really, really cute. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, Sterly. So yes, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.